Hello everyone, welcome to this tutorial in which we are going to see that how can we create and save an HTML file in Visual Studio Code. So Visual Studio Code is a code editor. It is an IDE, that is integrated development environment, that allows us to write codes from different types of files. It can help us to write a simple text file code ranging all the way to HTML, CSS, JavaScript, TypeScript, Python, any type of a code. Then once you have written this code, then we can even run this code and get the output all in Visual Studio itself. In this video we are going to see that how can we do that for HTML. So here I have created a file sample.html. In case you are not familiar on how to do that, so let us just do it together. So I have closed my files. What I'm going to do is, once you have opened your Google Visual Studio Code, just go to file and click on new file. Then you can provide it a name. So suppose I'm going to provide a name as header.html. .html tells it as a HTML file. Then you can save it anywhere. I'm going to save it in my desktop. So just click on create file, and that is how your HTML file is created. Now here I'm just going to write in some code. So I'm just going to write the HTML tags. Open and close the HTML tags. Then in the head I'm just going to provide a title. That is going to be my first page. Just like this, you can just also add some HTML code. And in the body I'm just going to write hello, a simple hello. So this is a body. In the body I'm just going to write a simple hello. So this is a valid HTML file. This is what I have created. Now I want to run it in the browser from my Visual Studio Code only. Okay, so how do I do that? For that I need to go to extensions. So that is available over here in the left corner. If you just click it over here, or if your Visual Studio Code is looking something like this, you can just go to the shortcut using Ctrl+Shift+X, and here in search for the extension, open in browser. So as you are typing, the results would be showing to you. So let's just go into the first extension and let's just install it. Now we need to wait for a few seconds till the extension is installed. Since it is showing uninstall over here, that means our extension is installed. Let's just close this. Now come back to our HTML file, right click over here. So there is these two options, open in default browser and open in other browsers. That is because of the extension that we just installed. Let's just click on open in other browsers, and here it will give you an option to open in all the browsers that you have present in your system. So I'm just going to select Google Chrome. Now you can see that my Google Chrome has been opened over here, and this is how my page is looking. So my first page is the heading. So this is the title that I provided. Let me just show you side by side for a clearer look. So here is my HTML file, and this is the corresponding output on the Chrome browser. The title I gave as my first page, this is available over here, and then in the body I provided an h1 tag that says hello. So that is available over here, the h1 tag that says hello. So this is how you can see the output of an HTML file directly from the Visual Studio Code into your Google Chrome or any other browser that is available into your system. That is it for this video. Thanks for watching.